Moderated discussion. As the title suggests, this is a discussion rather than a presentation, and participants are encouraged to get involved. The host controls who talks and when. The host of the discussion might have a slide with a few bullet points to get the conversation started, but will generally not be presenting. The host will control who speaks, and you can volunteer to speak using the raise hand feature. Just click the hand in the bottom bar. When your turn comes, the host will call you up on stage. You'll get a prompt whether you want to join with or without camera. We recommend keeping your camera on. After you've made your point, argument, or asked a question, you'll be kicked off the stage and will be back in the audience. Discussion points can also be raised in the Q&A or even the chat, but points raised on stage will be given more prominence.